Hey guys, Scott Reekers here with Wingmen by Eastman's, and I'm here with Brian Tucker of High Mountain Seasoning, and today we are going to work on a turkey breast, and we're going to show you how to cook this up. A lot of people are not fans of eating wild turkey, or they'll only eat the breast, or they think there's only one way to do it. We are here to show you another way to do it that is absolutely wonderful. So Brian, tell me what we're going to do today.
We have a little bit of flour, and we've taken some of the High Mountain seasonings, our new Chipotle burger seasoning. We mixed it in, we're going to kind of bread it, and we're going to make some of our own Colonel's Finest with the turkey breast.
Finest.
Yeah.
So this thing's going to have a little bit of fire to it?
It's going to have a little bit of heat, a little bit of smokiness, and then the platform we got a little bit of butter melted down with some bacon grease in there too. So, you know, we can't go wrong. It's going to be good.
So, and I hear you guys make bacon better. Anyway.
We do make bacon better. As you guys found out this morning, we were cooking bacon with our breakfast. We have 3 seasonings for putting it on top of the bacon. You know, it's not bacon flavored. Brown sugar, black pepper, pineapple sriracha, and sticky bun.
Brian, so what are we going to do with this meat? How are we going to cut it up? Let's start with that.
All right, so the consensus in camp was to make nuggets. So instead of cutting it into strips or whatever with the grain of the meat or anything like that, we're just going to cut it into chunks. We're going to roll it in the flour, and we're going to throw it on top of the griddle there, and we're going to brown it up. Some of this I may cut around because, as you can see, we're starting to get in some of these little tendons and sinew and stuff like that. That's going to make it a lot tougher when you go to eat it, and it's kind of stringy as well too. So being that it's a wild bird, it will be a little bit drier since it's not going to have the fat like one that you would buy at the grocery store or anything like that. But that's where the butter and a little bit of the bacon grease comes in to add just some more of that moisture to it. Hopefully this breading I'll be able to lock it in, the flavor and everything really nicely.
Brian told me you want to make sure you get it good and covered. Yep. So make sure every nugget in there gets a good coating.
We have a little bit of bloodshot in the meat, like where Scott shot his bird. I mean, he hammered this bird. So this will be a section that you'll want to cut out just for the fact of it. You want to talk about a real gamey, nasty taste, and that wild game taste that a lot of people refer to. That's a lot of that. It's that blood. That's why
gross.
A lot of people dry age things, say a deer and elk, they'll hang it 3 days to 14 days. That way the blood dries out and comes out. Something like this, though, it's just trauma. It's basically a bruise, and you don't want to eat that part of the meat. So. It works out really, really well.
How do we know that they're done?
So you're looking for the golden brown, obviously, kind of like this right here. That side is done. Obviously, we're going to want to flip it. So it's just like even still same like a turkey in the store or chicken or whatever. You want to make sure these are cooked through about 160 degrees if you have a thermometer, anything like that, just to prevent any sort of, you know, salmonella or food illnesses that, you know, can come with a fowl like this. So you still want to be able to enjoy it too, even after the fact.
Thanks for tuning in to our Wingman channel, and make sure you leave a comment and a like below. Let us know if you like this recipe. Thanks for tuning in.
Oh, that looks delicious.
Dig in.
Thank you.
So if it's good, I made it. If it's bad, Scott made it.
Okay.